What's good, I'm guys, Snake, and today we're going to talk about how you can get free shoutouts from Instagram influencers. Absolutely free, no strings attached. I'm going to be telling you guys a step-by-step procedure how you can get a free shoutout on any page, probably below 100k, because above those, they're not really going to give you a free shoutout because they're getting paid. Now, don't get me wrong, 80k or 50, 70k followers might get money for shoutouts, but what you want to do is you want to keep messaging different people and trying to get your free shoutouts. Alright, so now I'm going to take you guys to step-by-step procedure of how to do this right now, so let's get right in. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because we're just going to be adding value every single day, and it's going to be crazy amount of value added in 2018, so make sure you don't miss out on that, and yeah, let's get right in. Alright, so the pages with over 100k followers are very unlikely to actually give you free shoutouts because they have constantly people buying shoutouts from them, right? If you can find people, so what 90% people do nowadays is that they just look at influencers above 100, 200, 300k. Okay, that's a good thing. You should always be looking at that mark or above that. That's a very good thing. But what you guys are forgetting is that while looking for these influencers, you will run across a lot. You will run across fucking hell. You're gonna run across a lot of influencers which are gonna be, 100 followers, or 1,000 followers, or 10,000 followers, even up to 50 to 80,000 followers. You're gonna find many influencers which don't really get shoutouts bought on them, and 90% of the people just ignore these pages. They don't give a fuck about them. Just move on. They just don't care about them and they keep going, which is okay. But what you guys can do if you don't have enough money to start out, or I've seen a lot of people not being able to pay high amount of money for bigger influencers. You want to go and DM. These for the 10% people who are actually smart, okay? And that's gonna be you guys, my subscribers. What you guys can do is you can go on these smaller pages, 100, 1k, 10k, 50k, 80k, and ask them to do something called a free promotion. All right. Alright guys, so the next step is actually contacting these influencers. I'm going to tell you guys a couple of things that you can use to actually contact these people and the game plan, why they would do a free shout out with you. Alright, so first of all, I'll have to get this out of the way. For any of you guys who've actually lost some money in shoutouts and you guys were, starting out, there are a lot of influencers right now who are buying followers, okay? They're buying followers and they're also buying likes and comments, and they're giving you a shit deal and you're getting scammed. A lot of people are getting scammed, so please don't get scammed. And if you guys have if you guys have got scammed from any of these influencers and you're 100% sure that they bought their likes and everything, then please go ahead and charge back them on PayPal. You guys can do this while going on PayPal and charging them back by opening a dispute. Don't get scammed, guys. I've seen so many of you guys coming in my DMs showing me your influencers, and I see half of them are all botted. Don't just lose your money like that. If you guys can, get your money back from them. Do something. Don't just throw money in. For the next time, make sure that your influencer is correct and it's good and it's not a shitty influencer. I just wanted to point that out since no one's talking about it. But anyway, so what do you do for the pages and what do you send them exactly, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bump into many pages from 1k to about 80k followers, okay? And this is what you're gonna send them right now. I know this is gonna get saturated now, but whatever. Use this guy. If you guys use this properly, it's not gonna get saturated. Mix up the words a little bit. Use different tactics, but mainly this is the message you want to convey to them, okay? Hey, I love your page. You're passionate about whatever niche you're in. So let's say you're in the dog niche. So you're gonna say, hey, I'm passionate about dogs, and I'm passionate about dog lovers, or whatever kind of the page they have. Let's say they have a dog for zebras. So I'm passionate about zebras and stripes and clothes. You would love if you can promote our product. Make sure, okay, hold up. Make sure this product is best selling. It should be best selling. It should not be a bullshit product, because if it's BS and it's not best selling, this thing over here, this needs to be here. It needs to be best selling. Only then it will be a really good thing, because people will be understanding that, whoa, it's a good product, probably gonna sell, probably gonna make money. Alright, so make sure it's a really best selling product, and then you're good to go. Alright, and then we're gonna say, alright, we would love to promote this, I don't know, a hyena bracelet on your page, and we're willing to give you an actual, make sure this caps, a cut of our profits. But this is gonna make them think that, oh my god, these guys are probably making a lot of money, and I'm gonna get a cut of their profits, which is actually only gonna be 10% or 20%. Alright, to close the deal, you want to write down, we only do this with pages over 250k. That's gonna make them feel special, so this line is very important too. But we like your content, so we can have an exception. So this way they're gonna think, oh, this is literally free money at them. Because all these pages never have shoutouts bought on them, at least up to the 40k mark. All these pages are very dry from shoutouts. So an offer like this, in the same niche, in the same product, that's gonna be insane if it's a best-selling product. And for you guys, it's a win-win. It's a win-win for them and for you guys, because you're not having to pay jack shit, and they're not having to pay, they're not having to do anything. They just have to post a picture and they're gonna get a cut of your profits. So make them think that you're gonna make a lot of money, right? You can also add like, hey, we made like $5,000 last week, so we are actually hoping to make more this week so we can get like 10% of our cuts. So they're automatically gonna default into thinking that they're gonna make $500 out of $5,000. And they're gonna be like, okay, yeah, sure. And if it doesn't work, you can just say, oh, your page was not that good, we couldn't get any sales, blah, blah, blah. That's all that's gonna happen, right? And then just say, let us know if you're interested. This is gonna make them feel like, you know, the money's being left on the table, and they're probably gonna get back to you, okay? And guys, this is the exact human psychology message you wanna send to people. This is really gonna attract people so much. Note this down somewhere. This is an incredibly amazing tactic of getting free shoutouts from people. And you can, I'm gonna come to the next part pretty soon. You're gonna send this message to about 50 to 100 people every single day, guys. 50 to 100 people. Can you guys imagine if you get even 20 people responding, even if you get 20 small influencers of 10k each? That's very realistic. Or maybe 40k each. You can get easily 200,000 to about 1 million followers just for free. You can reach these many people for free every single day. Do you know the potential of this? So write this down. Pause the video right now and write this thing down right now. The entire diagram, even though I erased like half of it. Write it down right now. Stop whatever you're doing. Write this down. You gotta send this to people. Alright, amazing. Alright, guys. So, basically what you're doing here is you're finding smaller pages, okay? You're sending them the message, and then you're waiting for their response, and 80% of them, if you do it right, they will respond. If you have a good product and everything, they are gonna respond. Once they respond, all you gotta do now is send them a very, very high quality ad. The ad should be the fucking best ad you've made in your entire life. It should be the best thing they've ever seen in their life, okay? You have to make the ad that fucking good, okay? Once you make the ad that good, they're gonna be like, oh, hey guys, the post is gonna be something like this. Hey, you guys should check out this dog bracelet with a dog emoji or sign on it, and you should check out this page and just say to tag our page. Another good way is that you say tag our page so we know. Like, this is gonna make sure that, oh, we have to just tag their page, and you can make this go even more viral by saying tell your followers to tag the page. But what you're doing now is not only are the 20 small influencers tagging your page and getting you traction, you're getting all of their followers, let's say 400k to 1 million. Guys, 400k to 1 million people. If even 1,000 of them tag you, that's gonna create what you call a viral effect. If 10,000 people tag you, all their friends are gonna know, and it's just gonna create a long chain of viral fibers, and it's just gonna make your shit blow up. Nobody is doing this right now. Nobody is talking about the viral mechanic you can do with these. Everybody's, even if there's anyone talking about free shoutouts, they just stop at the mark when they ask for shoutouts. You can be so creative with this and literally make your brand go viral within a few hours. But that's the video, guys. I really hope you found some value in this and you can apply this if you're struggling to make money. You guys will definitely have a lot of ease while making sales once you have a lot of shoutouts lined up, and it's also gonna help you grow your brand and following in general. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found some value in this, make sure you leave a like. And I just love you guys. We're almost about 1,000. We're so close. We're at 950. It's just insane. You guys have been awesome. I can't believe we've come this far in just a span of like 2 months. It's crazy, guys. Anyway, make sure you guys leave a comment down below if anything you guys need to ask or any suggestions for the videos. Whatever you guys want to add on, go ahead. We're going to be getting a new webcam, a new mic, and a new keyboard pretty soon. So I'm going to probably do a stream for that. It's going to be fun. But yeah, my Instagram is Nick_ambitious. Make sure you follow that. And I'll see you guys later then. Peace out.
Look at us laughing. It's like everything put a hole in the mattress. Mattress, pull down the walls and the rafters. Rafters, rafters. And even in the evilest weather, we always find a way to put the pieces together like rain.